All right, I want to just show you how you can set the choices that appear in these dropdowns. So if we look at this, we have these two new fields, project type and we have industry. If we click on project type, we can actually see there's a couple preloaded in here, a couple different project types that Impact Data Source built in for us that are kind of universal choices here for project type. So I'm going to select for this one, it's a recruitment project. And then on the industry, if I click on that, it's actually, we only have one option. It says set choices in my account customization. So now actually, that's not really something that we should select. That, whatever we select here is actually going to end up on the reports. This is kind of a placeholder or almost a directive encouraging you to go set your choices in the my account area and click on customizations over there. We made it a little bit easier for you to jump over to that section now. So if we click on this little question mark, this is where it's telling us we can edit or add industry choices in my account. So if I click on this, we're going to jump straight to the area that we can add our options there. So now when I do that, we'll get into our my account customization area. So if we're just trying to understand where we are right now, we can see down here, we're on my account and we're on the customization tab of my account. Now, down here, we can see our industries. Up here, we see our project type. So if we wanted to edit our project type, we could do that, or we could even add a different one. But in our case, we have industries and we actually want to load ours in here. So what I'm going to do, I can edit this one. I'll just kind of use the one that was already there. We could delete it, but I'll just reuse it. And so I'm going to call this advanced manufacturing. And we're going to hit save on that one. And then I'm going to add another one because I've got a couple different target or key industries for us. I'll do distribution and logistics, right? Okay, and I'll hit create. And now we have those two, and those will be loaded into that dropdown that we can choose when we work on our projects, and we identify all of our projects as one of these industries. And if you had 10 industries, you could add all 10 there, whatever number it is. If you need to at any point, you can come back here and maybe you want to change that. I've got it written out with the word and. Maybe I want to just make that a little bit more concise, save a couple characters and use an ampersand or something like that. We can make that change and just let it save there. So let me go back, and now we can see that these are available in our dropdown. So I'm going back to my project that I was working on. I'll go back into that scenario, and in our in that first screen, we can see I've already selected my project type. Now on my industry, I have my different choices, and I can select which one applies. So there we go.